Are you the dentist? So? You are the dentist? Am I saying this right?
Are you saying what right?
They told me to say that.
They.
Yes. They told me.
Enough.
Sorry. I'm starting to think that I made a mistake coming here.
And?
Am I doing something wrong?
You sound like you are unsure of your decision. Who are you looking for again?
Yes, this was a mistake. I'm not looking for anyone.
Are you sure? Are you mad? You came to this location. You approached me and asked me what?
Are you the dentist?
And?
That's what they told me to ask.
Again. You say they.
I am sorry I made a mistake coming here. I'm sorry.
And now you think you have the option to just walk away. You feel you have made an error in judgment, and you're sorry.
Please, sir, I want to leave.
Do you really think that is going to happen?
I want out of this. Please, I'm sorry I have changed my mind.
Someone so unsure of his decisions should take this moment to think about his actions. You have found the courage to begin the process. Now, will you ever complete what you start? Or is it going to be a life forever in doubt?
Okay then. Now what happens? What happens now?
You come with me. Unless there is something else they told you to say?